Hi, Gary Guth here with bagpipelessons.net. In the last video, we talked about blowing, squeezing, and tuning. Okay, so the goal in the last video was to be able to blow all three drones so that when you blew hard enough, you were able to blow all three of the drones out. Okay, so today we're going to talk about tuning the chanter to the drones. But one of the things about the chanter in terms of strength is if you listen to a bagpipe band starting, you hear two startups. You hear a e. So you hear the drones come in first, and then you hear the chanter. And the reason that happens is because the strength of the chanter reed is extremely harder than the strength of the three drones. Okay, so I'm going to show you, I want to show you something with the chanter by itself before I start showing you the tuning of the drones together. Okay, so I just want to show you this. Watch this. You see that? Okay, so when I'm going to tune the drones, I need a hand to hold the chanter like this, and I need one to adjust the length of the drones. Okay, but when you saw when I put my three fingers on the chanter, the pitch of the chanter went up because when I was wobbling it back and forth, you could hear bop, 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 like that. Okay, so what I'm going to show you with the first tenor drone, when you tune it to the chanter, we're going to tune it so that it's harmonically in tune with the E, and then we're going to move it down slightly so that when I put my bottom hand on the chanter, the pitch comes in together. Okay, so watch this. See what I did? So you find the initial placement where the E and the drone are in tune harmonically, because the drone is playing an A, and the chanter is playing the E, so they're a fifth apart. That's a perfect interval in music. Okay, so when I put my bottom hand on the chanter, see, I check it. I check, I adjust, I check, I adjust, I check, I adjust until it's finally in place. Okay, so now I have this drone in tune with my chanter. Okay, so now I'm going to tune my bass drone with the chanter and the outside drone. Okay, watch this. Okay, so then I have the bass in. The bass is a little tricky because it's a different timbre than the tenor drone. So I hold the high A open and I can bring it down until I hear the beats slow down and all of a sudden they flatline. Okay, so that's what happened here. All right, now finally the middle drone, and we'll be set. Here we go. Watch this. Skool and the Brave to all the Brave COVID medical workers. If you have any questions about what we did on this video, please feel free to email me. It's been my pleasure. My name is Gary Guth, and this is bagpipelessons.net. Have a great day. And you should all have a bagpipe stand. Let me know if you're interested.